If you're trying to find the best Hostinger coupon code to get hosting at the lowest possible price, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 83% off on their hosting plans, which already makes it one of the cheapest and most popular hosting options. But here's how you can unlock even more savings. When you use my referral link from the description, you'll get an extra 20% discount on top of that 83% deal. That means you're stacking discounts and getting an unbeatable price on your hosting. And it gets even better. You'll also receive extra free months added to your plan, so you're paying less, but getting more time to use the service. Now, if you're worried about committing, there's absolutely no risk. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out and get a full refund if it's not right for you. So if you're planning to start a website, blog, or online business, this is the perfect opportunity to save big.